Alright, so now I have to create a new table. So we'll go to create table in design view. Okay, so we want feedback ID, want customer name, rating, comments, date received, and that's that now. Customer feedback ID should be the primary key. I'm going to give it as text. Customer ID, customer name, should be text. Rating should be a number. Comments is text. And date received is date. There you go, it's date. And then we'll save that. We're going to call this customer feedback table. Now we're going to go back here, open it up, and we're going to fill it in. So we'll do 0001. Okay, so customer names, we've got Marsha, Mellow, we'll have Anita, Bath, maybe okay. Donna Kebab, Noah Lot, and Kerry Oki. Marsha Meadow gave a rating of 9. Anita said it was a 5. Donna gave it a 7. Noah gave it a 4. Kerry gave it a 5. Comments. Loved it. Soon better. Great. Alright, date received. What else can we do? Let's do 7th of November. Let's put, what else can we put here? And there we go, we've got our 5 pieces of information all in there. Done.